If you want an easy to die for, totally authentic cuttlefish recipe from paradise, here's how it's done. Dear Jess, one of the local classics here on the Spanish island of Menorca is Guiso de Sepia con Patatas, cuttlefish and potato stew. The delightful ancient leisure and fishing port of Ciutadella boasts a charming covered fish market where my cuttlefish is cleaned and cut into large chunks for the traditional potato stew. The first thing we need to do is to prepare a flavourful fish stock in advance. We can just use water and this would be just as authentic, perhaps more so. But plenty of local recipes do call for stock, which can only enhance the Mediterranean sea flavour. In a very generous puddle of the finest Spanish olive oil, the sepia is seasoned and fried until lightly golden. In the same now flavourful oil, onion and green pepper are steadily fried until soft. Chopped garlic is added a little later on. Now grated tomato goes in and gently reduced down until really quite concentrated and jammy. Now a pinch of Spanish pimentón pepper powder. And a couple of minutes later, a good drop of white wine. As this reduces down to almost dry, we can now dice the potatoes. Locals say it's better to break off chunks in this manner, as it adds extra starch to the sauce. No idea if this is the case, but it certainly makes the potato appear more appealing in a rustic sort of way. So the reserved cuttlefish and potatoes are stirred into the vegetable base known as the sofrito, and the stock poured over just to barely cover. Not too much, as we do want the sauce to be fairly thick. Cook until the potatoes are done. 20 minutes should be plenty. So there we go. Wish you were here and all that. Guiso de Sepia con Patatas de Menorca. Cuttlefish stew with potatoes from Menorca. Do let me know how yours turns out in the comments. And you may just be able to spot Mallorca over there on the horizon. Here's a traditional old Mallorcan dish that I'm sure you'll enjoy too. Thanks for watching and hope to see you back over there in Mallorca. Salud!